Hello, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of a challenge, Look for Less. More about that a little later. I found this clock at Kirkland's for $149.99 and I am going to go ahead and recreate it for a lot less. I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased both of these hula hoops, and I went and I took the paper that was covering it and I was sluggy enough that in the bottom it was black, so I won't have to use any type of paint because this is the color that I was looking for. I also have these popsicle sticks and these bamboo sticks. I will be spraying it with Rust-Oleum black paint. Now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start hot gluing these bamboo sticks along with a little bit of E6000. So the size of this hula hoop is 20 inch and the big one is 27 inches. So I'm measuring it to make sure that around is going to be exactly 4 inches before I start adding the Roman numerals. The inspiration from Kirkland's is 45 inches. And of course, this is going to be 27 inches. So the bamboo sticks are already put in place, and that's what's gonna hold both of the hula hoops together. So that's why I reinforced it with E6000 and hot glue. But for the Roman numerals, as you can see, I'm taking the popsicle sticks and I am cutting that round piece. That's how I'm going to start creating those Roman numerals. Now I started making X's for the number 10, and with some hot glue, I'm gonna start placing them in its place. I'm only gonna be using hot glue. And we are almost done with this piece, but I'm going to break down the cost. I pay for the 2 hula hoops $1.25 each. For the popsicle, another $1.25. And for the battery operated clock, I pay $14.26 from Amazon. And that is a set of 2. And the total cost for this piece, although my piece is smaller than the one in Kirkland's, the one in Kirkland's is 45 inches and mine is 27 inches. And my total cost is $17.91 plus whatever I pay in taxes. And of course, this is going to be going above my fireplace along with 2 candle holders that I previously created in a different video. I'll leave that one down in my description box as well, so you could go ahead and check it out. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. And remember that subscription is completely free. And when you subscribe to my channel, you share and you like, you help my channel grow, and that means the world to me. And now for the final review. Today, I'm participating of an open collaboration, The Looks for Less, and it is being hosted by Zulia G and CJ DIY. And they have a special guest co-host, Miguelito's DIY. I'm going to be leaving their links to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit these talented creators and show them some love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now let's continue with our second Look for Less project. I purchased this last year at Michael's before the price went up on the grab bags. This is worth $29.99 and I purchased 5 or 6 for $5. I think I did a pretty good deal. I'm going to be mixing these 2 colors together, and this is the inspirational piece that I saw at Kirkland's, and I will try to recreate it. I'm going to start by painting this picture only in the inside. I'm going to take this melted chocolate and beachcomber beige. I'm going to mix them together. Now, the one in the inspiration is more gray, and I decided to use these 2 colors only because it matches my decor. So I wind up giving it 2 coats in the inside, including the inside frame. I'm taking more melted chocolate, I'm adding it, and I'm going to be painting the entire border. So I'm going to take this emerald glue and I'm going to water it down, and this is how I'm going to start putting the jute twine inside the picture frame, just like in the inspirational picture frame from Kirkland's, and that one was being sold for $159.99. And of course the baker's twine costs $125 at Dollar Tree. And the emerald glue, I had that bottle forever, but if you were going to buy emerald glue, then it would be another $1, and the frame cost me, I think, less than $1. Let's say $1.25 because I bought it at the grab bag from Michael's. So I think I did pretty good. So as you see, I'm soaking the baker's twine in this watered down glue, and this is the way that it's going to be glued on top of or in front of the picture frame. And this is a reminder. Down in my description box, you will find the playlist to all of these talented creators. Please make sure to visit them, subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget that notification button, like that every time we upload a new video, you will be notified. And now let's go ahead and start putting this baker's twine on top of the picture frame. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let you watch. This is really simple. Just fold and just start putting them in front of the frame, just like so. Well, my dear friends, we are almost at the end of my video. I hope that you have enjoyed this beautiful projects that I've brought with a lots of love into your home. If you have enjoyed it, I hope that you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. Let me know in the comments section which of these two projects is your favorite. But I think that the clock was my absolute favorite. I've been trying to do this clock for a long time. I think like about a year, and I finally made it, and I am so proud of myself because I am absolutely in love with it. But you let me know which one of these two projects is your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.